Hey there, fellow Toastmasters. This is Bill, and I'm in Minnesota. And I thought you'd like to see my yard. Yes, that's my big garage. And you can notice that the house has redwood siding. I moved into this house when I was 5 years old, and I just turned 78 a couple of days ago. When we moved in here, it wasn't redwood siding on the side of the house. It was cedar shingles. I replaced them many years ago. And I'm walking around to the north side of the house, and you get a sense of the greenery here. It's been raining all of June. We had at least 6 inches of rain. And now we're going to walk into the beauty. My backyard. Yes. The clematis is done. That was right there. It was a white waterfalls of flowers. And here are the tiger lilies, daylilies. And we have many native flowers and weeds. And this is my backyard. Yes. Sedum, petunias, alyssum, marigolds, snapdragons, zinnias. Not everything is blooming. The nice thing about this yard is it changes throughout the summer. And here's a deck I built 50 years ago. Well, maybe not that long ago, 40 years ago, and a planter. And I remember when my stepfather planted this little tiny tree, and now it is gigantic. And here is our backyard. But you'll see that while this is 1/3 of an acre, there's very little lawn, which makes it very easy for my wife to mow the lawn, which she loves to do. But instead of taking 2 hours, it takes only about a half an hour. Here's the rhubarb. Yes, we made rhubarb sauce this year. And the daylilies are just starting to bloom over here. These are the hybrid daylilies. And back there is the garden with tomatoes and onions. And here is a large plum tree. And the currant bushes are coming right along. And soon we will be picking the berries from them. Let's see if I can, here's one. I just planted these last year. There's only a few berries on there. Maybe you can't see them. There are a couple of red ones right there. I love currant juice. It makes one. And the cucumbers aren't so good because we've had an infestation of rabbits. And the chilies were also eaten by the rabbits. And I don't know why those tomatoes aren't looking so good. I think I'm gonna have to put some water on them. And over here, oh, there's a bush with lots of currants on them. They're not quite ripe yet. Yeah. And a few raspberry bushes. Every year this yard changes. The grapevines that we had a number of years ago have gone away, and I've planted new ones, and I have small baby ones. Cucumber plants. Over there are zucchini. And here is